Goes to show all the single moms out there, if you think you can't do it, baby, you can.
Hey guys, welcome to my room.
Hi my beautiful YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, as soon as I start filming, it started raining. I swear, look. The moment I picked up my camera. Okay, I love the sound of rain, but not as like background noise. Okay. Hi my beautiful YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So listen guys, I really wanted to show you guys the downstairs of my home because I'm loving it and it's finally done. The only thing I'm gonna add is a fresh coat of paint to match the paint upstairs. I'm gonna show you Ava's room and her playroom too, but I'm not gonna give like a full tour of my room until it's actually decorated the way I want. But the downstairs is done, it's very minimalistic, but I'm obsessed with it. And people keep asking to see my house, so here it is. And for the record, digital marketing bought most of the things in my home because I told you guys when I was only working my 9 to 5, it was barely enough to just pay my bills. There was no extra money for furniture and shelves and stuff like that. It just wasn't a possibility. And of course, can you guess who's right here? Yes. Always have to have your time in the sun, huh? Okay, I'm gonna give you a tour of the downstairs and then Ava's room and her playroom. All right, you guys, let's do the living room first. Sorry if it's a little echoey down here. Like I said, my house is very minimalistic, but I prefer it that way because I have a child. And I feel like the more stuff you have, the more overwhelmed you'll be, at least for me. It's important to know your limits. I should have fluffed my couches, but this is the living room right here. I am obsessed with it. It's very minimalistic. It's very me. You'll see the downstairs is all like black in this caramel color. I just love simplicity because I have so much going on in my life. So I got these couches. These are actually my dream couches from Article. A lot of stuff in my house is from Article. And then I have this plant over here. I got this from Amazon for only like $70. It's pretty tall, it's like 7 feet. And then of course the cats have their little boho cat beds. I'm obsessed with them. And I'm personally a fan of really tall curtains. So I got these on Amazon, and because I needed so many, like they were not very expensive at all, I prefer sheer curtains with no blinds. So I can get some nice sunlight shining through whenever I close them. And then these cute end tables are actually from Amazon. They were so easy to put together. You just screw in the legs. And I thought they fit so well with my house. And then this beautiful entertainment stand was actually on my vision board for 2022. Also from Article. And I have this cute picture of Ava and I on a hike in Hawaii. And you'll notice I have a ton of candles burning all over my house. All right guys, so let's talk about this shelf. This shelf was also on my vision board for multiple years in a row because I couldn't bring myself to spend $600 on a shelf, even though it is huge. I do think it's worth the money. I just personally was never gonna pay $600 for a shelf. And then they had a sale and I got it for $400. And I was like, man, I don't think it's ever gonna go on sale like that again. So I did buy it. This shelf is from World Market, which you guys know is my favorite, one of my favorite stores. If I could only use one store to decorate my entire house, it would probably be World Market. If you gave me two choices, Article and World Market, they go together so well. This shelf needs a little bit of work, right? There's not a whole lot on it. Ava went ahead and decorated it with her little beach ball kindergartner activity. Listen, your kids are only little once. If they want to decorate your shelf, please let them. It doesn't matter, right? So here's a little walkthrough of the shelf. Of course I have some books. This is not all of my books because I keep most of them upstairs, but these are a few that I want to read really soon. I kind of went crazy at the bookstore the other day. Let me know, have you read Iron Flame and Fourth Wing? Please let me know, so curious. And I got these bookends from Target. This is Ava's little shell that she got from Hawaii before we left, and I have a little album. You guys remember that we just went to Utah, right? So I have a little album that I printed of our trip, a few drone shots. I think it's important for children to see pictures of themselves all over the house. Makes them feel loved and important. It was just a really good trip. So I have this on the shelf, and of course you guys know I was a photographer forever, so lots and lots of photo albums, so many, probably thousands of pictures all over my house. Okay, this is a good tip, and I tell all of my friends this too. If you don't print your photos, like I mean your cell phone photos too, please start doing that, okay? There's this app, I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. It's called Free Prints. The prints are free, literally, they're free. You just pay for shipping. You get like 150, it's either 100 or 150 free prints per month. So what I do is every month I just clear out my phone, pay $17 for shipping, and I have all of her memories in a photo album. I'll also link the albums that I get because it's like the old school like peel back sticky kind, which I prefer. I'll link it down below so you can grab it. Those are the exact ones that I buy. So I'll print them for free, just pay shipping, and then I'll buy those albums, and Ava can look at them whenever she wants, and she does often. So anyway, just a good little tip. So that's pretty much it for the living room. I love how it turned out. Also got this rug from World Market. I don't love it. Like it's kind of already starting to get weird, but it's not enough for me to get a new one. So for now, it's pretty nice. And then of course I changed out the light right here because it was like the builder grade boob light. Not a fan. Hi little perfect boy. Hi. You gonna take a night? I love you. I also got their beds on Amazon too. You guys, everything I get off of Amazon, I will link it. This plant too, only 70 bucks. You can't beat it because if you go to a store like Target and you try to buy like a really tall plant, they're like $300. I'm like, never gonna pay that much for a fake plant. Amazon just really comes in clutch. This toy chest is stuffed to the rim, but I love it, okay? I love, 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 love it. She sits on here in the morning, right here, and puts her shoes on, and it's just, it's so pretty to me. Also got this on Amazon. I couldn't find like any pretty toy chests. They were all like pink or with like princesses on it, and that's not going in my living room. So I found this one, really, really love it. Still looks nice and it's practical and it's really big. As you can see, it is stuffed to the rim. But I got this huge cat tree. They are obsessed with it. Also on Amazon. Okay, so we're gonna move into the dining room. I actually installed this light. This was the first light I ever installed in my house. So proud of myself. I got this light from World Market. The table is from Article, and the chairs are knockoff poly and bark chairs from Amazon. All four were like 100 bucks. Can't beat that. And like I said, my house is just like one big photo album of Ava and I and like all of our adventures. So here's one that I put in the dining room. This one is of her in Hawaii. This is one of my favorites. She's so sweet. And then I have the Waimea Bay like little wooden thing up here. I think it's supposed to be a surfboard. I don't really know. But I put that up there because it kind of goes with the theme. The back porch is not super decorated, so I'm not gonna do the back porch right now. But that is the downstairs. You guys have seen my kitchen like probably a million times, but that is the full downstairs. I know you guys were asking for an updated tour. Let me know what you think. I love how it came out. I really love sharing this stuff with you because you guys know how hard I worked to have every little thing in my house, and I'm just super, super grateful. Okay, I can't even begin to describe how grateful I am to have everything that I have. And if you think I just moved into this house with all this stuff, you would be dead wrong, okay? I had nothing when I moved in this home. So every little piece of furniture, every little decoration, cat bed, doesn't matter. I always get overwhelmed with gratitude, and I just thank God every day that I get to live in my own home in peace with my baby. We are doing so good, and I hope this just goes to show all the single moms out there, if you think you can't do it, baby, you can. Even if it sucks at first, even if you have nothing to sleep on at first, which we didn't, you can do it. I promise you. Please stop letting people scare you out of your dreams, okay? Stop doing that.
Hey guys, welcome to my room.
Okay, show them around.
This is my sloth that I got from Mommy yesterday. It can like hang on anything, like myself. Do you want to know a secret? You can just like, if you want to make it stay, you have to like move your fingers around and it will stay. And these are my second like glittery cat ears, which I have some on right now.
That's your favorite accessory?
Yep.
Yeah?
Which I love the flower ones more because I like the flowers on them.
Okay.
And the pinkness on them. This is my rainbow that my mommy painted. And it has some of my favorite colors in the rainbow pink. So this is like my butterfly thing where I look at every day. Hang on, my rainbow. This is my sun mirror that where did you buy this thing?
Target.
Oh. My mom bought this from Target. It's like a sun, and you kind of see there's kind of lines. And this is my rainbow that my mommy bought me for my room at the first time when I saw it. Pretty plain right now, so I'm thinking to color it. This is my glitter glow, and like I shake it every time and it makes so much glitter. It's beautiful. I like it. I used to have another one, but it broke. There's so many books that I can choose. But I'm headed out here, and like this is like the plant that she put in, and the shelf.
Yeah. And show them your big cozy bed. Say, this is my favorite bed ever.
This is my favorite bed that I can sleep on.
But you don't, because she sleeps with me.
I used to sleep in it, but now I don't.
Right. And then this is her beautiful light that Mommy installed for her. And then really quickly, I installed this swing for her, which she loves. She has her little nugget, and this is her beautiful playroom. There does need to be pictures up here, but for now, it's fine. And those are Ava's rooms. Good morning, my beautiful YouTube family. Come spend the morning with me. I just dropped Ava off at school, packed her lunch, got her all good to go, and took a shower. By the way, this is how I twist my hair in the front so I don't get frizzies. And then I just kind of let it sit while I make breakfast. So come eat breakfast with me. Hey guys, I wanted to come on here and end this vlog. I just got some really good news. So every Mother's Day and Christmas, I try to do something extra special, like volunteer. So I was trying to get in contact with a local homeless shelter here. So I couldn't find any women's help centers in Charleston. So I called a local homeless shelter, and I'm gonna be bringing gifts down to their Mother's Day dinner. I'm really excited because no other shelters called me back. So I'm glad at least one did, and they're gonna have at least 15 moms there. So I'm gonna bring them like flowers and a card, and hopefully it makes them feel special for the day, because I honestly can't imagine being in that position. And I feel like if you can help, you should. Homeless shelters and women's help centers are very, very near and dear to me. So whenever I can give back, I do. I'm hoping to build a really good relationship with the homeless shelters in Charleston so we can volunteer on major holidays like Thanksgiving and Christmas. But I feel like Mother's Day is a holiday that kind of gets swept under the rug when it comes to those less fortunate, because those moms are going through probably the worst times of their lives, and they deserve to feel special too. So I love it because they're putting on a really nice dinner for them at a local church, and I'm gonna be dropping off gifts and flowers. And one thing about me, I'm not going to film that, okay? I might film myself getting the stuff ready, but I will never take my camera down there. I will never take my camera down to a local homeless shelter or women's help center just for views. It's not my thing, and I just don't really think it's humane. And the only reason why I'm bringing this up is to inspire some people to do the same, because honestly, from one big bouquet of roses, you get about 15 flowers. Separate the flowers, get a card. You can get them from like the Dollar Tree or whatever, and just drop them off at your local women's help center or homeless shelter. I promise you, it makes such a big difference in their day, just so they can feel special for just a moment. Anyway, it's just something to think about. Of course, you don't have to, but it is a very, very nice gesture for all of the women in those situations that are not feeling the best, okay? Now I need your help with something. On Sunday's podcast, I want to do a Q&A session, okay? So you can ask me personal, business, YouTube, anything you want. I want you to post your questions down below, okay? And we're gonna answer them. It could be personal, relationships, dating, motherhood, whatever you want. I need you to post those questions down below and we're gonna answer them in the vlog on Sunday, along with our topic, of course. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget, like, you might see videos like this and all you see is like perfectly decorated houses on social media, but I promise you, nobody starts off like that, okay? And I'm very honest about that. I had nothing in my house. Nothing whenever I first moved in. So these videos are not meant to be discouraging. I always like to say that in my videos. They're meant to inspire you. You guys, I just picked Ava up from school and she had a whole bunch of Mother's Day presents for me, so she's gonna show you. I'm gonna show them what it is.
This is like...
And here's the lens.
Oh, this is like... Hey, wait, it's blurry.
It's blurry, yeah. Here, I'll tap on it. Oof. There you go, you gotta back it up a little bit. There you go.
This is like my project that I made for Mother's Day, and I wouldn't really tell the secret because if I did, it wouldn't be a surprise anymore.
Mm-hmm, that's right. What does it say on it?
I love you.
I love you too. And then what else you made me?
This is my shrinky dink, what kind of broke.
It's okay. It's still beautiful. Show what it is, so it says.
And it says, I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day 2024.
Perfect.
And then I drew little hearts.
I love it.
Or Miss Grady did.
Okay,
I
so
didn't do them.
she also made me a card with her handprint. So
Yeah.
let's read it. Let's read it to them.
And you didn't see like the emoji that I made for you.
I love
didn't-
that emoji. That's my favorite emoji.
I didn't have time to color the ladybug red on his shell, but it turned out you love this emoji.
That's my favorite emoji. And that's my favorite color.
And this is my butterfly and my yellow heart. This is my orange heart, which you love also. And I did the eyes yellow, which you kind of see it's blending in. But you can still see the hearts.
You do everything so perfectly. Such
And this
an
is my
artist.
little butterfly that has orange wings.
And let's see. I would love to read it to them, please. It's a little paper that says all about my mom. So my mom's name is Janessa.
Let me.
She's 30 years old. My mom looks beautiful when she does photo shoots. You're so cute. I love you.
I spelled the word photo shoot. It was so long.
It was long. That's a long word. My mom is really good at drawing zebras. When I'm at school, she works at home. Yes, that's very true. My favorite thing to do with my mom is go in the new pool. That's really fun, huh?
It's kind of tricky on new because it sounds like ooh, but it's actually E.
That's right.
You can say ooh too.
Right. If I could buy her a gift, it would be a big stuffed animal.
I was going to say cat next, but I changed my mind.
I love my mom more than dad.
Mama, can I read this part?
Yes.
This is my little project that I made for Mother's Day, and it says, I love my mom because her hikes are the best thing in the world. And that will be it.
Thank you. It's the best Mother's Day ever.
Mommy, it's not Mother's Day yet.
I know. But you know what my best present is?
What?
You. Love you so much, and I will see you in the next one.